Welcome to Choosing Housing as a Group at Stanford. This tutorial will show you how to choose housing for more than one person at the Stanford campus. Welcome to the tutorial on how to select into housing as a group. So as you can see, when you log into your My Housing through the self-service, through your My Housing here, you can see what's going on. And right now that you would be able to see that you're a part of a room selection process. So you can look at your start time, which is March 8th at 9 a.m. and the selection times, March 8th, 9 a.m. to March 12th at 10 p.m. So that means even if you can't select during your housing selection time right here, that means you could select all the way up until March 12th at 10 p.m. In order to select into a room, you would want to click Select a Room/Suite. Once you click that, you'll see now you're eligible to select a room. You have until the date, and you'll see yourself as well as the people you matched with. So right here, Martin Husky has matched with John Husky, Nate Husky, and Vince Husky. So when you click Find Available Rooms, you will then show anything that is open for 4 people. So if you look through Stanford here, you can see all the spaces in Stanford. Key things to look at here are the type of place, the type of room here. This is a 2-bedroom, 4-person Stanford rate. This would be a rate 1 at $5,124 per semester for the year. And you can kind of scroll through and seeing the different rates as well as the different types of housing. This is a premium Stanford rate. So let's say you are interested in being in 225 and 225B. You would click Select Apartment Suite. Once you click that, then you are going to be the person who is doing this, and this would be Martin Husky in this situation. You would be controlling who's going into what beds, and you can change these. So let's say 225, we wanted Nate and Vince to live together. In 225, we wanted Martin and John to live together. That is then you're controlling the group and where everybody's placed. And once everybody's placed, you can click I agree, submit my room selection. Congratulations, your room selection is complete. And that is how you select into a room. And then once you can go back, now you can see your room assignments for fall 2008. You can see where everybody is, and John, Nate, and Vince will be able to log into their My Housing and see where they're being placed. Please remember that once you're placed, you will not get changed, so that is your placement. So make sure you're working together as a group to make sure you have the right placing. If you have any questions about how to use My Housing for any specific processes, please review our other tutorials that can be found online. You can also email us at livingoncampus@uconn.edu or call us at 860-486-2926 with questions. If you're having any trouble accessing your My Housing, please email us at the email address listed above.